Hey there, what is up you guys? I am Jerry and welcome back to the channel, The Chicago Griller. This is a show where I share my favorite tips, tricks, and recipes for the Weber Q. Now, it is the year 2020 and the holiday season is looking a little bit different for most of us this year. But no matter what, I'm sure you have plenty of leftovers. And that's awesome because leftovers are delicious. But you know, I know how to make them even more delicious. So crank up the gas and fire up your grills because today I'm going to show you how to make holiday leftovers grilled cheese. For today's leftovers grilled cheese, I am using Pepperidge Farm's Hearty White Bread, but you can use whatever bread that you like best. Lay 2 slices of bread on a plate, then squeeze 1 strip of mayonnaise on each slice of bread. There we go. Then with a knife, spread it out evenly over each slice of bread. Next is the leftover cranberry sauce layer. So spoon some of your cranberry sauce onto 1 slice of bread. Use your spoon to even it out as best you can. Once you've applied the cranberry sauce, now comes the cheese. Today I am using a slice of smoked Gouda. Next comes your leftover meat. In my household, I roasted up a whole duck for Thanksgiving, but you probably have turkey instead. But pretty much any leftover holiday meat will work perfectly in this grilled cheese. This seems like plenty, but oh, there's more because it's the holidays. So here comes the leftover stuffing. And there we go. It's looking good. Now your sandwich is probably getting a little bit full here, so do your best to keep it all intact. We are just about done here, but we need 1 more slice of cheese just to hold this all intact. And now, cap off your sandwich with the other slice of bread. Now we are ready for the grill. And as usual, we will be cooking up our dish on this Weber Q. I have equipped the right half of the grill with a griddle and have preheated this whole unit to low. First thing I'm going to do is melt some butter on the griddle. Again, be sure the grill is set to low, otherwise the butter will burn. Anyways, once the butter begins melting, start spreading it evenly on the surface of the griddle. And that looks just about good. So now we could place our assembled grilled cheese sandwiches directly onto the griddle. Here's the first sandwich and pressing down lightly, and the second sandwich and also pressing down on the sandwich. It's good to press down on these sandwiches because the cheese will help all the ingredients stick together while it grills. Anyways, shut the lid and let this cook on low for about 3 or 4 minutes per side. And now, after 3 minutes, I am going to give both of these grilled cheese sandwiches a flip. We're going to be looking for a solid golden brown crust. And there we go. We have it here. That's exactly the color that we're looking for. You could possibly go a little bit longer per side, but you may run the risk of really burning the bread on your sandwiches. Anyways, here I am after 6 minutes of total cook time. I'm ready to pull my grilled cheese sandwiches off of the griddle. So off comes the first sandwich and the second sandwich. So let's get these inside now, cut one open and show you what it looks like on the inside. And back here in my kitchen, I have my made in Santoku knife, cutting directly down the center of this grilled cheese sandwich. And check this out. You can see the Gouda is starting to melt a little bit. It's not super duper gooey, but I assure you it's plenty soft and cheesy and holds all these ingredients in the sandwich together. Anyways, let's have another look at our holiday leftovers grilled cheese. So there you go, guys. That is how I make holiday leftovers grilled cheese on my Weber Q. Now, the version that I made today was a little bit less gooey than you might like, so if you want yours a bit cheesier and gooier, maybe go about 4 minutes per side instead of the 3 minutes that I did. Anyways, let me know if you plan on trying out this recipe down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, as always, hit that like button, comment, and consider subscribing. If you're looking for other holiday inspirations, you could check out some of these videos to my right or by clicking my name down below. Thanks again for watching. I can't wait to see you all again next time. Bye now.